In the era of surging technological innovation, the manufacturing industry is undergoing profound transformations and challenges. Digital and intelligent transformation has become a critical imperative for enterprises striving for long-term growth. Futureatt Technology, a leading player in intelligent manufacturing, specializes in developing and implementing integrated intelligent warehousing solutions. We have delivered end-to-end smart factory planning and deployment for over 200 global enterprises, awarded multiple authoritative qualification certifications, along with ISO management system certifications. We hold over 100 intellectual property assets, including software copyrights, national invention patents, utility models, and design patents. Innovation is in our DNA, and deep industry expertise is our foundation. Our R&D team comprises senior engineers and industry technical experts, with over 20% of annual revenue reinvested in technological innovation and product iteration. This enables us to provide personalized warehousing solutions for global manufacturing customers. Futureatt provides overall software and hardware solutions for smart factories. Our self-developed IWMCS links the client system with the entire equipment of the smart factory, covering the entire material flow lifecycle: receipt, storage, issuance, and return. This forms the unified management framework for raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Our product includes labeling machines, material racks, SMT warehouses, material bin type warehouse, X-ray component counters, AGV, and other equipment. Each device and process is embedded with intelligent capabilities, working in synergy to create an efficient, streamlined smart factory logistics ecosystem. We actively address the unique intelligent warehousing needs of diverse industries, accelerating the upgrade of traditional factories to smart, digitally managed operations. Our solutions enable real-time production data visualization and flexible process management. We recognize that every manufacturing client has unique warehousing challenges. We always adhere to the customer-centric philosophy and tailor our products to our customers. Whether it is a large manufacturing enterprise or a small and medium-sized enterprise, we can all count on our highly professional team and extensive experience, deeply understand the actual situation of customers, provide one-stop services from solution design, equipment selection, system integration, installation, and debugging, and after-sales maintenance for it. We maintain close communication and collaboration with the client, timely response and optimization of customer feedback, ensure the delivery of high-quality solutions that exceed customer expectations. We will continuously enhance our core competitiveness, provide customers with more efficient, precise, and intelligent warehousing solutions, assist manufacturing enterprises in achieving digital transformation and upgrading.